Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make natural popsicles. First, select your favorite ripe fruits, ensuring they are fresh and vibrant. Next, wash and chop your chosen fruits into small, manageable pieces. Then, combine the fruit with a small amount of liquid, like water or juice, in a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and free of large chunks, creating a perfect base for your frozen treat. Now let's get creative with flavors. You can mix different fruits, like strawberries with mango or pineapple with coconut milk, for exciting combinations. If your fruit isn't sweet enough, consider adding a touch of natural sweetener such as 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. For an adventurous palate, try infusing your mixture with fresh herbs like mint or a hint of ginger for an extra zing. Once your mixture is ready, carefully pour it into your popsicle molds. Remember to leave about 1/4 of an inch of space at the top to allow for expansion during freezing. Gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold, ensuring it stands upright. Place the filled molds into your freezer and let them solidify for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or ideally overnight, for the best results. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious homemade popsicles. To easily remove them from the molds, simply run warm water over the outside of each mold for about 20 to 30 seconds. This helps loosen them without melting. You can store any leftover popsicles in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. Keep experimenting with various fruits and ingredients to create endless, delightful variations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.